Digistore24 tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you Digistore24 beginners tutorial for free traffic. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an amazing online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, so you get a lot of different options. Today we are going to talk about the factor that Digistore24 is an amazing affiliate marketing platform where you can actually find a lot of different affiliate marketing programs with a very high ticket affiliate marketing with a lot of commission, and you can make up to 85% of commission. So when we talk about affiliate marketing and when we talk about Digistore24, so let me show you how to actually get started with Digistore24, and then I will show you how you explore the marketplace, how to find the right product, and once you have the right product, how to actually promote it for free. What are some different free traffic methods that you can avail, and you can go ahead and promote your product to earn your commission. So first, what you have to do is simply click on register now. Register now will allow you to register for Digistore24. The registration process is really easy and it will open up the window. Just now I will show you how to sign up for Digistore24. So you have to sign up as a vendor and affiliate, or you can sign up just as an affiliate or maybe just as a vendor. Then we can simply add our username. You will add your affiliate link right here. Then you have to add your email address, repeat email, password, and then you have to select your time zone, name, company, address, country, phone, and your telegram. So this is just a very simple process that you have to do. This is the form that you have to fill, and then you will simply check I have read the B2B contract and the privacy policy. Then you have to check I hereby get the email or anything if you want to. So if you want to get the email and newsletters, so you will check this. Simply click on register for free now, and you will be able to register for your Digistore24. Let me show you the marketplace that we get on Digistore24. So the marketplace, I really like Digistore24 because the marketplace has a lot of different categories and a lot of different products to choose from. So when you are selecting a product and you are going to be choosing a product, make sure to choose a product that is actually trending and that will actually help you make the maximum profit. This is just a tip that I wanted to share. So you will find all of these different categories right here. We have digital products, we have animals and pets, we have betting systems, we have dance and music, education, family and kids, food and drinks, games and fun. Then we have hobby and handcraft. So you can actually select any of the categories. So the first step is going to be selecting the category. Let's just go with a software because I think software actually do pretty good and they have very high ticket affiliate marketing programs. So I can just simply select any of the product with a good commission. So on Digistore, you will actually find the commission right here. Then you have the promote link. Then you get all the information right here: the price, the commission, earnings, vendor, created, and billing types as well. So this one is a software. So this has 50% commission. This is going to be the earning $21. Promote now. So once I have the link, what you have to do is simply click on promote now, and you will be able to get your promotion link that you need in order to promote the product on Digistore24 or any other platform. So we have signed up for Digistore24, we have explored the marketplace, and then we have selected the product. The next step is going to be promoting the product. And now many people get confused at how to actually promote the product. Well, as I promised, I will be telling you about the free traffic ways that will actually help you promote your product on Digistore24. So what you have to do is you can actually use your social media to promote your product and to get the free traffic. If you're wondering why you need the traffic, again, the traffic, the more clicks you will get, the more sales you will be able to make, and then the more commission you are going to earn. This is how it works. This is affiliate marketing. So the first way you can actually go ahead and promote your product for free is going to be Facebook. Simply sign up for facebook.com, or if you already have an account, then you are in luck, because you don't need any business account. You don't need anything. All you have to do is just use your account, your Facebook, to promote your products. You can actually go to different groups. There are many groups out there that do affiliate marketing. Facebook has everything now. Affiliate marketing, the ads, we know about everything, right? So you will actually find these Digistore24 groups on Facebook, and they have a lot of audience. They have different members. You can see right here, 1.5k members, then we have 4.1k member. These are all people that know affiliate marketing and that know Digistore24. So they will actually help you. You will be able to learn a lot from these people as well. And this is your traffic, because Facebook is really famous. It has billions of users, and there are many people using Facebook every day. And Facebook has the audience. It has the audience in the groups. You can use Facebook for your benefit, and you can promote your links on Facebook to get the traffic you want to. And the best part is that it is going to be completely free, because we know Facebook is free. All you have to do is just have an account, and then you can simply go ahead and start promoting your products. The next way you can promote your Digistore24 products and get free traffic is going to be to Twitter. Twitter is another social media account that you can actually use to get the free traffic. We know that many people use twitter.com for their affiliate marketing, and when it comes to Digistore24, you can actually promote your product. You can add your links to your Digistore24, and then you can promote your product to earn the commission. You can see right here that many people are actually promoting their products on Twitter. Twitter is completely free. All you have to do is just have an account, and then you can simply go ahead and start promoting your links on Twitter. Many people use Twitter nowadays for affiliate marketing to promote their product, because Twitter has the audience. People love to use Twitter. They are using Twitter every day. When we talk about Facebook, Facebook is now becoming outdated. Like, many people still use Facebook, but when it comes to Twitter, Twitter is known for its trends and is known for quick updates. So you will be able to find the best new products on Twitter, and then you can actually promote your product to people that are into affiliate marketing and that are always looking for such products, and then you will be able to get the free traffic. It is completely free. You don't need any business account. You don't need anything. All you have to have is just your Twitter account, and you can simply start promoting your Digistore24 products and start earning your commission. So these are the few ways. There are other ways as well. People use TikTok nowadays for free traffic. Then we have Pinterest for free traffic as well, and even Snapchat. So these are the different ways we can use in order to get the free traffic to our Digistore24 products. Once you have the traffic, then you can simply start promoting and start getting the clicks, and you will be able to earn the commission you want to, and earn high ticket affiliate marketing and make up to 80 to 90% of the commission, which is going to make you rich, and you will be able to make money by sitting at home. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.